Okay, so now we are going to start our new things. New topic is there. Okay, some terminologies is there. There's some important terminologies are there. हम उनकी बात करते हैं. Okay, first of all, one terminology is there. This is called बेटा epigenetics. क्या बोलते हैं इसे हम? Epigenetics. समझेंगे इसको ध्यान से. In cases of epigenetics, what is the meaning of epigenetics? Epigenetics को अगर हम ले लें, the study of changes in organism caused by modification of gene expression rather than alteration of the genetic code itself. मतलब समझे इसका क्या हुआ है? वो कह रहा है the study of changes in organisms caused by modification of gene expression rather than alteration of the genetic code itself. Rather than alteration of genetic code itself. समझिए अब मतलब without the change in genetic configuration. Without the change in genetic configurations, change I phenotype में, ठीक? उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, that is the epigenetics. Getting out? Without the change in the genotype, phenotype should change. So epigenetics, the study of changes in organisms caused by modification of gene expression, rather than alteration of genetic code itself. Getting it out? Simple one line में अगर मैं बात कर लूँ तो this is called refer to a non-genetic cause of a phenotype. Non-genetic cause of a phenotype. Getting it out? Non-genetic cause. Whatever the phenotype is there, but उसका जो cause है that is not उसका genotype. The non-genetic cause of phenotype, that is epigenetics. Okay. Three terms we are going to talk about. One is there eugenics, euphenics, and euthenics. Three terms we are going to discuss now. कौन कौन सी टर्म की बात हो रही है हमारी? यूजेनिक्स, यूफिनिक्स एंड यूथेनिक्स. बात क्लियर? यूजेनिक्स, यूफिनिक्स एंड यूथेनिक्स. थ्री टर्म्स आर देयर. एक इंट्रो देखें उनका. मैंने कहा यूजेनिक्स. यूजेनिक्स मतलब क्या हुआ? द इंप्रूवमेंट इन मैनकाइंड. द इंप्रूवमेंट इन मैनकाइंड बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मेंडेलियन ट्रेट्स. बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मेंडेलियन ट्रेट तो से बोलते हैं हम लोग यूजेनिक्स. कैसे? सपोज देखिए आप बेस्ट क्वालिटी प्लांट्स इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ब्रीड विद देम, ऑफ कोर्स व्हाटएवर द सीड्स, फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स विल कम, दे विल बी ऑफ बेस्ट क्वालिटी. सो द बेस्ट क्वालिटी जीनोटाइप्स आर गोइंग टू मेड. ऑफ कोर्स दे विल प्रोड्यूस बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. Getting it now? This is eugenics, means improvement in mankind by Mendelian application. By Mendelian application, sanda genotype के parents they are just mating. Of course, they will produce best quality offsprings. Getting it out? So this is actually eugenics. It's not a term. Then once again, I will explain you everything. Like the one term is there euphenics, or and there is there euthenics. Euphenics की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो euphenics means to say improvement for the mankind by the application of genetic engineering. Improvement for the mankind by the application of genetic engineering. Clear? This is euphenics. Like the euthenics. Improvement for the mankind by providing better environment, better nutrition. Clear? चलिए एक एक करके अब स्टार्ट करता हूँ. once again पहला टर्म यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं यूजेनिक्स. यूजेनिक्स देखें व्हाट आई टोल्ड मैडम. यूजेनिक्स हो गया एन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ जेनेटिक्स टू इंप्रूव मैनकाइंड. एप्लीकेशंस बाय मेंडेलियन एप्लीकेशन. कैपिटल टी क्रॉस करेंगे आपस में, कैपिटल टी विल कम. ठीक? इफ बेस्ट क्वालिटी जीनोटाइप विल मेड, बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफस्प्रिंग विल कम. सो इंप्रूवमेंट फॉर मैनकाइंड बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मेंडेलियन ट्रेट्स. दिस इज यूजेनिक्स. चलिए another thing is there, this is called euphenics. Euphenics, अब suppose that whatever the gene you have, है ना, अब है तो है भाई, अब नाइजीरियन है तो नाइजीरियन है, अब they just thinking कि नो भाई बच्चा जो है that should be just like Russian. How it is possible? You have gene of black color and you want a gene for white color, or you have a gene for white color, you want a gene for black color. So naturally that is not possible anyhow. So but still you want, means to say you want to make some changes in your gene combinations. So that is actually euphenics. Improvement in mankind. Improvement for the mankind by the application of genetic engineering. By the application of genetic engineering means to say, अगर definition जैसी बात कर लूँ तो medical और genetic intervention. Medical or genetic intervention to reduce the impact of defective genotype. To reduce the impact of defective genotype to improve mankind. Getting it out? So improvement for mankind by application of genetic engineering. So with the help of genetic engineering, cutting and pasting, You can remove some and harmful genes or undesirable genes, and you can add some beneficial gene or desirable gene and make a hybrid plant or hybrid organism better one. Done or not? Last thing is there euthenics. As I told, in cases of euthenics, देखो eugenics by Mendelian applications, अच्छे लोगों की आप शादी करवाइए, अच्छे बच्चे होंगे. Euthenics, okay, whatever the gene you have, with the help of genetic engineering you change it. Euthenics, you don't want to make any change in your genotype. As in cases of presently whatever we are doing, in cases of the parents, what the parents are doing for their child, this is actually euthenics. You don't want to make any change in genotype, but still you want best offsprings. So कैसे हुआ euthenics? Euthenics improvement for the mankind by the application by providing better nutrition, better environment, better education. बात क्लियर? आप offspring को बड़ी education दे सकते हैं, better nutrition दे सकते हैं, better environment दे सकते हैं. Of course, improvement will be there. Two plants are there, one plants you are just providing better nourishment. Of course, it will flourish so nicely. Okay, in compare of others. This is euthenics. Three terms: eugenics, euphenics, euthenics. Getting or not? Up to here it's okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट बात कर ले हम इसी में. All these things are from under population genetics. किसी बात हो रही है population genetics. In population genetics, some terminologies are there. One by one we are going to discuss about that. One terminology is there. This is called gene pool. What is that? Gene pool. Gene pool समझे हम. Sum total of genes in reproductive gametes of a population. बात clear? Whatever the total genes. Gene pool होता है बेटा the haploid set मान लें आप. The haploid set of genes or total genes of a small isolated population. वो actually haploid ही है. A small population का जो total gene है उसे बोला जाता है this is the gene pool. अब large size लेना है तो large size ले सकते हैं. There is no problem. वो separate होना चाहिए case. This is the gene pool of Nigerians. These are the gene pool of Africans, Americans, Indians. Plants में ले ले this gene pools of particular angiospermic plant, particular gymnospermic plant, particular. Clear? So sum total of genes in reproductive gametes of a population. Reproductive gametes मैंने कहा haploid. That is a gene pool. Getting? ठीक. एक चीज आपको clear होगी. Another thing is there that is called a gene flow. Gene का flow. Gene flow. ठीक. Migration. समझेंगे? Migration of genes from one population to another population by cross fertilization. देखिए genes हैं, whatever the gene you got, that you got from your parents. Okay ना? So gene flow generally जो gene का movements हैं, what the thing is there, actually in the same population and the same species crossing are going to take place. You can say the thing. So in generally first of all self pollination in the same. अगर plants की बात हो जाए तो self pollination in the same flower. Okay, cross pollination of course different flower. So what I told, movement of the gene from one populations to another population, that is gene flow. Okay, Indians if are going to marry with Russian, okay, so of course Indian Russian hybrids will form. Gene ka flow, you will get some different types of characters in Indian also, because now Russian genes flow here. Okay, your Indian genes flow there. Move there, but getting on energy. So movement of gene, so migration of gene from one population to another population by cross fertilization. This is gene flow. Done or not gene? इसको हम ध्यान रखेंगे. And the term is there that is called genetic load. ठीक, as the name clear, genetic load, burden, additional things. ठीक, the existence, definition वाली बात करें, the existence of disadvantages, the existence of disadvantageous allele in a heterozygous genotype within the population is known as genetic load. What I told beta, the existence of disadvantageous alleles in a heterozygous genotype within the population. Clear? What is the meaning? But you know capital T, small t. But small t जो gene है, they are unable to express themselves. It's useless. They are moving from one generation to next generation. But you know the whatever the total genes are there, out of that less than 2% part of the DNA they are capable to express themselves. Their exon, more than 98% part of DNA they are unable to express. They are unable to express. They are intron. They are intron. They are not expressing. बात clear? Whatever the genes, so less than 2% part of the DNA, they are exons. They are functional gene. They are expressing. Remains are load. Genetic burden है, genetic loads हैं. Some harmful things are also waiting there to express. That honors the existence of disadvantageous allele in a heterozygous genotype within the population is known as genetic load. Done or not? Up to here it's okay. Clear? That's great. चलिए हटाइए ना. बड़े दूसरी बात करते हैं. बड़ा एक बहुत ही important बात करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग. Important in this sense कि actually some questions are coming in needs. That's why its importance is there. It's very interesting also because some calculatory parts are here. हमने कहा one term is there, one another concept is there. This is called pedigree analysis. What is that? Pedigree. So we are talking about pedigree analysis. Okay, this is not doggy food. Okay, this is the pedigree analysis of genetics. Okay, ये पग का food नहीं है. That energy, this is pedigree analysis. Okay, not doggy food, not pug food. ठीक ना. चलिए तो बात करते हैं हम लोग pedigree analysis की. What is pedigree analysis? की किस चीज की एनालिसिस करने जा रहे हैं? वन बाय वन एक एक करके बात करते हैं पेडिग्री एनालिसिस में बेटा. ठीक, इन जनरल अगर मैं बात कर लूं इन पेडिग्री एनालिसिस की, तो इन केस ऑफ पेडिग्री एनालिसिस एक्चुअली यू आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज द मूवमेंट ऑफ द जीन इन अ पॉपुलेशन. हाउ दीज जीन्स आर मूविंग. हाउ कैन यू से कि this hemophilia is a X-linked recessive disorder, this color blindness X-linked recessive disorder, getting or not, this myotonic dystrophy is autosomal dominant disorder or whatever, getting or not ji. How can you see? It's a X-linked, it's a X-linked, it's a Y-linked, it's autosomal recessive or dominant. How you came to know that these diseases will appear in male, in female after that generation? So some analysis will be there now. Actually these analysis, the graphical representation of such analysis, that is pedigree. Clear na? So movement of the gene in a populations, how these genes are moving, कहाँ से आए और कैसे इनका movement होगा, that is pedigree analysis. Okay, very easy topic is there. So many students having problems during whenever they are solving the numericals. Today we will discuss all the tricks. All tricks, it's very conceptual things. Very easily it will come to you. There is no need to make any types of trick also. Simply it will come to you. It's not like that, sir. Actually, some are saying like that, sir, it's hit and try method. It's not hit and try methods. It's 100% calculatory things. Pure ekdam 99.9% it will come to you with 100% confidence. Okay, what I'm going to tell you, the first point you just think and listen, madam. In cases of pedigree analysis, first thing is there a record of certain genetic traits of 2 or more generations represented in the form of a diagram or family tree is called pedigree. What I told, a record of certain genetic traits, a record of certain genetic traits 2 or more generations represented in the form of diagram or flow chart or family tree का form में आप represent करें, this is called pedigree. Okay, movement of the gene represented in the flow chart. Done or not? इसको ध्यान रखें, एक पॉइंट ध्यान रखेंगे. सेकंड पॉइंट की हम बात करेंगे बेटा. Pedigree analysis is study of the transmission of particular trait and finding the possibility of absence or presence of that trait in a homozygous or heterozygous state in a particular individual. In a particular individual. Means with the help of pedigree analysis, you are just finding the movement of homozygous gene. You are just finding the movement of gene in homozygous condition, heterozygous condition in a particular individuals. Done or not? इसकी बात करने जा रहे हैं. Done, getting or not? And the point.